My name is Madison. I'm a 20-year-old college student and I play volleyball. I would rate my first day of period pain around maybe like a 4, but by the time the second day comes, probably more like a 6 or 7, I'd say. My ZIIVAA story is that I have been using the ZIIVAA belt for 8 years, and I cannot tell how many times it has actually helped me through volleyball tournaments. I'm a captain on my team, and you can't take days off because of pain. You need to be there for your team, and ZIIVAA has really helped me not let pain hold me back from being in that leadership role. Before ZIIVAA, I would miss tournaments, I would miss school assignments. Being a big sister, I always want to be there for my younger siblings, and ZIIVAA has really freed me to be able to live the life that I want to live. Some advice that I would give for girls who are suffering from painful periods, the 2 things that have helped me the most are a hot bath and the ZIIVAA belt. The hot bath really is just for more relaxing, and the ZIIVAA belt takes the pain away. I would say the ZIIVAA belt is the #1 thing that gets me through my periods.